Can this potent new ginger drink really ward off your next cold? Winter is coming. Meaning, you're spending more time indoors in close contact with other people and their germs. But other than washing your hands like it's going out of style, is there anything else you can really do to bolster your immune system's natural plague-fighting power? That's the question I asked myself after recently discovering a new ginger-based beverage at Natural Products Expo East, Dr. Max Jinbao. The drink can be consumed hot or cold and is made by slow-simmering fresh ginger, along with water, lemon juice, organic ginger extract, and organic Asian ginseng, over a long period. The company says the recipe is based on a centuries-old Chinese drink that has long been consumed and recommended by traditional Chinese medicine (TCM) practitioners as a way to boost overall vitality and immunity. Sign up to get free healthy living tips, weight loss inspiration, slimming recipes and more delivered straight to your inbox. But does it work? Specifically in regards to nasty colds? Well, the fact that the drink features ginger is a good sign. Ginger is a proven effective digestive aid and contains properties that boost immune function. Specifically, ginger contains gingerols, which are potent anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce pain and inflammation symptoms associated with colds such as sore throats. Fresh ginger also has antiviral properties. A 2013 study found it to be effective against human respiratory syncytial virus infections, which are responsible for a range of respiratory illnesses, including the common cold. Additionally, a 2005 study found that ginseng extract enhanced immune system responses and stimulated natural killer cell functioning. Per the study, only 1 in 10 of those taking ginseng had 2 or more colds over a 4-month period, while 1 in 4 of those in the placebo group did. So, there's definitely promise, but this bottled drink isn't your only option. When it comes to ginger, I'm all about it, but I'd recommend steeping your own tea over expensive bottled drinks, says Katie Shields, Ms. RDN, holistic dietitian and blogger at Honestly Nourished. Simply steep a 1/4 slice of fresh ginger in boiling water, add some honey and a squeeze of lemon, and you're golden. That said, the occasional bottled drink, like Shields' personal favorite, GT's Organic Gingerade Kombucha, definitely won't hurt. Kombucha also contains probiotics, another potentially helpful cold fighter.